In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now black. That means that auto rotation is disabled. But you can always enable it by hitting the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, tap on Display section, and scroll all the way down. Lastly, click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!